Hi, I'm Susan. Today, after over a month, I am ready to work on my um, alphabet glue book. I have missed playing in my glue book, so I'm excited to be doing that today. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, many of you know that I was doing the July postcard play hosted by Carrie Griffiths. So that has gotten me a little bit behind in my glue booking because it was a daily challenge. It was a lot of fun though. Alright, so what do I have? I've got this arm that I can put under A. That was kind of cool. And I think I'm going to just go ahead and start gluing stuff down because things are getting very floppy. So it's going to go where it's going. A lot of my pages are almost done. So I'm just going to tuck that arm right there. Alright, let's see what else we have. Besides the mess on my desk. Now I do know that I have found, I got National Geographic. So I'm going to put that. I think I'm going to put it here. And let's see, K. I didn't have anything for K, so I've been looking for some K's. And I have got a kitchen. See, my ladybug's about to fly away. So I am going to go ahead and tuck her down. And my Lunchables, because some of this stuff is starting to come up. Oh, let me go ahead and okay. So we've got a kitchen. I've got some knobs. I have got a knee. Let's see if I have anything else. Oh, I've got a knocker. That may be all that I have right now. Anyway, I will start with that. I have still got to find some X's and some Z's. I know I've got zippers and zebras somewhere. X's, of course, is going to be a lot harder to find. All right. There we go. And the knockers. There we go. It's been very warm here. Okay. So let's go back to A. I've got art. And got another apple, but I think I'm good with that one. Maybe Maybe this art's better. Won't take up quite so much room. Okay. Now let's see. I have got Mississippi. This is a cookie cutter of Mississippi anyway. And I have got mashed potatoes. So I'm going to add that. There we go. Get these down. And this down. And get my Mississippi cookie cutter down. There we go. All right. Now let's see what we have. Make sure I'm in frame here. Oh, let's see. I've got some more owl eyes. Q. I've got some Q-tips. These I can move. And let's see, do I have... I don't see anything here. I do have a spade that I can add. We have got social media that we can add. Maybe I'll put the spade right there. Okay. Oh, and I've got this side too I can use. T. U. I've got a coffee urn. Okay. Oh, we need some Z's, some Y's, and some X's. Let's see how my own H's is coming off. Okay, I've got some hot dogs. So let me get this hang glider down. dogs down, which I just tore. There we go. It's all good. Get my hummingbird down. That's already down. Oh, I've got a hat. I think I'll put it there just so it'll show up some. And let's see, we got an end, got a nose. And let's see, she is almost full. Yeah. I've got these flower pots. And flowers. Let me get this stamp. There we go. Gee, I've got grass. Yeah, I really want her shoes to show. There we go. And we have got an eye. Well, let's get this spatula down. All right. See, I got another QR code that I can put down. And I have got rubies and a ring. Ruby ring. All right. Let's see. Okay, we have got cereal and a chair. right. Oh, these need to go down before I lose them. All right, let's see what we've got. We have got A, I added in some art and an arm. B is pretty full. Get that. C, I added in cereal, and my chair was there, but it was falling out. Let me glue down this clutch. Ooh, we got more cereal and stuff here. Can't have too much cereal. Okay. Let's see, D. I'm going to say doodles. I'm sure it's graffiti or some wonderful art that I don't know about. But that's what we're going with right now. I'll do that later. Alright, we have got owl eyes and an eye, flower pots. We added grass, hot dogs, a hat, ooh, I had lots of K's. We've got a kitchen, a knee, a knocker, and knobs. And I have not been able to find a kite. Let's see. Added National Geographic. I got mashed potatoes, Mississippi cookie cutter. Let's see, we got owl eyes. We got another QR code and Q-tips. Ruby ring. We've got a spade and social media. We added a coffee urn. And that is it for right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I hope you enjoyed having this glue book back. I sure enjoyed doing it. So until next time, bye y'all.